Welcome back to my channel. On today's episode of What's Cooking, we have this delicious, yummy chicken side dish. Come along, let's make this together. So first of all, you want to marinate your chicken. I'm just grating in my garlic, and I'll go ahead also and grate in a little bit of ginger. So you leave this to marinate for about an hour. You can put it in the fridge or on your countertop for about 1 hour, and you can also leave it in the fridge overnight or for as long as you want it. So I'm seasoning it with some seasoning cubes now, some thyme and curry. We are choosing the healthier option today by air frying the chicken. So I set the timer for 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So this is the pepper mix I'm going to blend. I added in ginger and garlic. I love the flavor of ginger and garlic in my dish. So after blending it, I'll go ahead and fry. So it's time to clean our carrots and prep our vegetables. So I'll just be doing a simple coleslaw consisting of carrots and cabbage. You can add as much as you want, or any type of vegetable of your choice like lettuce, cucumber and the rest. So you can just add them up at this stage. So you slice your cabbage as thinly as possible or as you prefer. Just slice it up and we're almost done. So when grating your carrots, you have to be careful about your hands so that you not, when it's remaining very little, you just have to put that away so you don't hurt yourself. So after 30 minutes, this was what I had and it wasn't okay. You still have, but at this stage I'm just go ahead and rub in my pepper mix and let it roast a little more so that the water will drain out. Because I use foil to cover the inside, that's why it's still like this, because it's already roasted, so I just have to use foil to cover it. So I let it for another 17 minutes and this is what we have. Yummy, delicious, soft and beautiful chicken So I'm just using this sachet bama. If you don't have the big one at hand available, you can still have the delicious coleslaw. Just get this little sachet for 100 naira per sachet and you are good to go. So this was what I did on this particular day. I added in a little bit of lemon juice just for that. I like the flavor of everything coming together. So mix it up and we are done. You can have this as a side dish with your rice, your jollof rice, and you can also have this alone. Just give yourself a treat, or your family or your friends, your loved ones. Just give them this treat and just enjoy. It's a glass of juice and chill in your cozy sitting room. Yes, so you can give yourself treats also. And this is amazing. The flavor was very wonderful. You just have to give this a try and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye.